HotMamaTravel!
Wow! Oh my God, we're so high! Whoa! We're like on top of a casino. We're like on top of the world. Alright, let's set the scene a little bit. We're in Wildwood. We're headed to the beach.
Now we're gonna walk,
let's walk together, guys.
We're gonna walk to...
This is our first time being at the Jersey Shore too, so...
Yes.
Come on. Let's do this as a family.
We're gonna do our mile-long walk.
Yeah, we gotta walk about a mile to get to the beach.
From the boardwalk to the beach.
You know what? We had scrapple for breakfast, so we could definitely use the walking.
Hi. French toast.
You had French toast. I had a bit of scrapple. I've been eating fruit and oatmeal every meal on this trip, so yeah. I've been doing pretty good.
We've been working out this trip.
So we're halfway to the beach. It's been about an hour. Just kidding. It is a long walk though.
We're here at the Jersey Shore in Wildwood, and we're hanging out in the Atlantic Ocean, and I'm trying to figure out why the Atlantic Ocean is warmer than our Pacific Ocean. Doesn't make sense to me, but hey, we're having a great time splashing in the waves.
Here, but not all my family. My mom's staying so she can stay and she doesn't want me to go.
Yeah, it's safer here, right?
Yeah, I don't want big waves to hit me.
Where are we?
I don't know the name of it, but I know it's fun.
Okay, we're at Wildwood.
Wildwood?
Let me see you jump over a wave.
Yeah!
Woo! Oh!
I'm trying to see so far I get the penny and mommy got some.
Yeah, we're finding seashells.
5 shirts right there.
Was it cold? Was the water cold?
And in the water,
No.
it was warmer. And in the water than the blankets in our bed. Those seashells that are money.
Did you find sand dollars? Did you find different shells?
I found
The seashells that are money. That's so cute. Amanda, he said he found seashells that are money.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, he did. It wasn't put together, but he found almost all the pieces.
It was so fun. Me and Daddy sat backwards and let the waves take us.
So these are the trams. The trams are cool.
Yes.
You want to tell us about the trams? How much are they?
So it is $24 for an all-day pass, $3 each way if you want to.
No, $6 for an all-day pass for each person.
Oh, okay. Well, for us, our group. Sorry, $6 for an all-day pass or $3 each way. And then you can just take it up and down the 2-mile-long boardwalk and get off and on whenever you need. Yep. So this is the way to go if you're going to do it.
Yeah, they're pretty handy.
This is so much fun. Yes. Very impressive Wildwood. Definitely cool. And I'm really hungry, so everything looks really good.
You
have to come back.
You could, Mom! Look, a face painting. You could dress like a tiger or a Batman.
Well, that's cool.
Kevin, what's your favorite part of Wildwood?
Being in the beach. But my favorite part is the zip line. I like the rides here. Even though my parents didn't let me go one night.
I haven't done it yet.
I like the zip line. My favorite part is the zip line.
What kind of ice cream do you want?
I want
Vanilla and chocolate, vanilla and sherbet, mint chocolate.
I want strawberry mixed with chocolate. Strawberry vanilla. I love my ice cream. Hey, my mama.
Just went zip lining, he's feeling good, so we got some ice cream to cool us down.
Where are we? We're at Four Brothers. Hello.
What's up? Get that water bottle.
Is there a water bottle? You found a beach ball, Keely? Do you want to sit on it for a picture?
Yes. Come on.
Can I look at mommy? Look at mommy.
Hey, Mama. Look how cool this is.
It's very cool. Having fun.
Okay, ready?
Daddy.
Hold on, Kevin, wait.
Is it good?
I'm gonna have a pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna have a pepperoni.
All right, try this.
Mack's pizza, recommended by obligatory traveler. Thanks, girl. Good choice.
Hand me my pizza. No more bites of compliment.
Is it addicting or what, Keely?
So good. These are really hot. Mine is so good too. I got taste.
You love Mack's Pizza.
To yourself or others. The giant wheel will stop for a period of time to load and unload other guests. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
There's no seatbelts, no standing up, guys.
Enjoy your ride, guys. All right, thanks.
No standing up and no rocking. We're gonna rock this boat. Oh my gosh. Keely, are you so excited?
Yeah.
I can't wait, guys.
Here
Come
we
and
go.
sit close to me.
Oh, Claire. I don't want anyone falling out.
Fast, enjoy your ride, guys.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Say hi to Grandma. Whoa.
Wow! Oh my God, we're so high!
Whoa. I know, this is crazy.
Wait, is this the ocean? No, I see tents on it. It's not the ocean. That's the ocean.
Wow. Okay, that's a lazy river.
We go up again, we go up again, we go up again, we go up again.
That was a really... guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.